Welcome to Slim Thick Curls, Beauty and Lifestyle. Hey sunshines, welcome back to Slim Thick Curls. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning upstairs and downstairs in my home. Right now, I'm starting off in the laundry room because I had just posted a reel that I had did in regards to a laundry room restock, and as you can see, this is the behind the scenes. There's stuff everywhere, and also I didn't record me putting everything up or restocking everything, so these are some of the things that were left over and also cleaning up from recording everything. I'm just curious, are you someone who likes to watch shorts and reels? Are you someone that prefers long form videos, or do you like a combination of both? And the only reason I'm asking is because lately I've been posting a lot of short videos, and my daughter wants me to get back into doing long form videos along with the short form videos. And I noticed that I get more views on the shorts. So I'm just curious what you guys prefer to watch. Once we finish in the laundry room, we'll be moving upstairs to get ready to take the bedding off of my bed, my daughter's bed, get those rooms together, and make sure that we wash our sheets to get ready for the upcoming week. So we've made it upstairs into my daughter's room. She's actually going to be helping me to clean her room off camera. So you'll see at some points it looks like I'm talking to someone or either passing someone something, and it is her. So my daughter, who is now 8 years old, she likes to clean with me. Sometimes she's on camera, sometimes she is off camera. This particular weekend, I was not feeling it. I just wanted to stay in the house, but I definitely had energy to clean. Cleaning always makes me feel better. But the reason I'm bringing this up is because I've never recorded a video in pajamas. But this day, I just did not feel like getting dressed with putting on some clothes as if I was going somewhere. So this video is taking place over the course of 2 days. So this particular day in the weekend, pajamas, and I was in the house all day long. And then you'll see me come back a little bit later with some real clothes on.
I think I met the one, in a million at the jackpot. Finally did it, I won, yeah. Till I search for something better. You're just too good to be true. Ain't nobody like you. Nobody like you. AM to PM.
We bought these lamps a few months ago, and I am still in love with them. I don't know why sometimes I take a long time to determine that I'm going to actually buy something, knowing that I want it. In this situation, it worked out because I was able to get these lamps on clearance, but at the same time, what if they were gone because I was taking too long? So one thing that I've been working on this month and plan to continue going into 2025 is to stop procrastinating. That is a big deal for me. That's something that I've been doing as long as I can remember, And that is something that I am now stopping. And not just in regards to shopping, but every aspect of my life. No more procrastination. Are you someone who procrastinates, or are you someone who gets the job done right then and there? For any of you old procrastinators, do you guys have any pointers as to what you did to help you to stop procrastinating with things? Because I can say that I used to do it a lot. Even when I think back on just my YouTube channel, I have so many videos that still need to be posted. I have so many things that I have bought that I said I was going to do videos on in regards to the house. Y'all, it's ridiculous. I really need to get everything together. But I will say that ever since I said that I'm going to stop procrastinating, I have actually stopped. And I have been doing things as soon as I have the thought to come to my mind to do something, to purchase something, to tell someone something. I'm doing it right then and there. And I can say it's a good feeling just to have things knocked out the way, not having to say, oh, I got to come back to that. Or I forgot to come back to that because I didn't do it when I should have done it originally. This couch is actually a little bit dirty and I need to clean it, which in the next video that I'm going to post, you'll see that I'm cleaning it. But I just did not have time this particular weekend to deep clean the couch. And over here, you'll see I have some extra tables, extra chairs. We're actually getting ready to host family for the holiday. So we ended up not needing those tables, so I'm taking them back to the store. We are going to keep those little chairs just to add to the dining room table because our house is not the largest, it's not the smallest, but in order for us to be able to fit all of our family and everyone to have somewhere to sit, we do need to add additional seating. For the holidays this year, are you guys hosting? I actually hosted Thanksgiving dinner this year, and I haven't hosted Thanksgiving dinner in probably 4 or 5 years, and I felt like I was rusty trying to get everything together. I was trying to clean, trying to cook. It was so much going on. We ended up having dinner to start. I think it was like an hour, maybe an hour and a half late because I was trying to get everything together, and because I've been out the game of hosting our family for so many years that my time was off. But got it together now, and I'm actually looking forward to hosting again. Even though I'm not really into having a whole bunch of people over all the time, that's not my thing because I'm very chill to myself. But I do enjoy when our family does come over for the holidays, and I love being able to set up and decorate and do different things with the family. So it's always a fun time having them over. Alright, well, this is the end of our video, lovely people. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you guys have an amazing holiday. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to SlimthickCurls. And don't forget to stay true and be you. Until next time, toodles! Mwah.